July 26, 3 days into this new moon and about 25 days to go until the moon orbits the Earth, comes back around and blocks out the sun for the solar eclipse. One thing to think about when you're seeing a crescent moon is that unlike a lunar eclipse, in which case the Earth is blocking out the sunlight on the moon's surface, or a solar eclipse, when the moon is blocking the sun's light coming back to Earth, a crescent moon is not a shadow at all. What a crescent moon is just that you're looking at a sphere. You're looking at a sphere like an orange or a marble, a basketball, a baseball, a golf ball, a soccer ball, anything round. And if you were to take a lamp and pull the lampshade off and you had a raw light bulb shining light all around your room, and the room was dark and you held up that round object and you moved it around the lamp, you would notice that the light from the lamp would shine on different places on the surface of that sphere. You could hold that sphere in front of your face and you might not be able to see any light from the lamp on the sphere. You could hold the sphere to the right of the lamp and only one side of that sphere would be lit up by the lamp. You could put it to the left side of the lamp and you would notice that the other side of that sphere was lit up by the lamp. In other words, you can change the lighting on the sphere by how you hold it up. So when we're standing here on Earth, and unless you're an astronaut or a pilot or a bird or a superhero, you can't fly and leave the surface of Earth that easily. So we're standing on Earth looking up at this amazing object that orbits around us. And when you see a crescent moon, what you're seeing is basically the direction in which the sun is. The crescent is pointing towards the sun. The crescent is showing you which way the sun is, and in this case you can see that the sun is off to the right. Not a great image here as the light fades. It's already about 9:30, 10 o'clock here in the San Juan Islands and not much light left. But the sun is off to the right, so that crescent is arching towards the right, towards the sun. The sun is lighting up half the surface of that sphere of the moon. You can know that there's no shadow involved, that this is just the natural light of the sun falling on a sphere that happens to be floating about 230,000 miles away from Earth out in space. It's the closest object to us except for our human-made satellites, occasionally some falling space debris in the form of meteorites. Beautiful night here over the water.